Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Gmail app not opening attachments. So if the Gmail app is just not opening attachments, then in this video I found a few ways how you can fix this. So let's start with fix number one, and it's going to be really easy. All you need to do is open the app just like I did, then head over to the top left corner of your screen at those three little stripes, scroll down till you find settings right here, then scroll down again till you find data usage, and I would recommend disabling download attachments, and it will be called download attachments, and it will basically auto download attachments when you have this enabled, but we don't want that. We want to simply disable that so we can manually download what we want to download. So yeah, I would just recommend disabling this and then to see if it's then working. Now, if it's still not working, what you can also simply do is enable background app refresh. In order to do that, head over to your phone like this and then scroll just a little bit up till the search bar pops up. And then just simply type in Gmail and then just click on the app Gmail. And once you've done that, make sure that background app refresh is enabled, and then you can see if it works then after you've enabled that. Now, if it's still not working, I would also recommend making sure that you have a proper Wi-Fi connection or that cellular mode is enabled, because in order to actually download attachments on Gmail, you need to have a pretty decent Wi-Fi, because you basically need to download all of your attachments to your device, which costs quite a bit of basically Wi-Fi or cellular mode. So just make sure you have a proper Wi-Fi connection. Now, once you've done that and it's still not working, what I can also simply recommend doing is logging out and then logging back in of your Google account. So you can do this by simply clicking right here, manage accounts on this device, and then simply click on remove this account, and then just log back in with your Gmail and password. And once you've done that, this will basically refresh your entire account, and sometimes this will just automatically fix issues, including Gmail app not opening attachments. Now, if that still does not fix the issue for you, you can also try to clear the cache of the Gmail app. In order to do this, what you can simply do is search right here over Gmail on your Android. So if you have an Android, search Gmail, and then you'll find that clear cache button. Now, in order to do this on iPhone, head over to General, click on iPhone Storage. Once you've done that, scroll down until you find Gmail right here. Then click on Offload App, and you can reinstall back using this page. And basically, once you've done that, you will basically automatically clear the cache of your Gmail app. However, no of your documents and data will be lost, so don't worry about that. Once you've done that, you can check to see if it's now working. If it's still not working, you can also try to simply update the app. This is really easy as well. Just head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and just simply type in Gmail and then click on the app and simply click on update. If there's no update available, then you just want to skip to the next part. So yeah, if that still did not fix the issue for you, what you can also try and do is simply trying to reinstall the app. Now, do keep in mind that when you do this, all of your documents and data will be lost basically when you do this. However, there's basically a 99% chance that when you reinstall the app, all of your problems will be fixed within the app, including basically the Gmail app not opening attachments. So yeah, either make a backup of all your emails and then just simply do this, or just face the consequences. But yeah, that's basically how you can fix the issue the best way. But yeah, let me know down in the comments below which fix it for you. And basically, that being said, please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.